How to turn off iPhone findable after powered off. Guys, you want to turn off Find My iPhone after you powered off your you want to turn off Find My iPhone after you power off your device. Go to setting, tap on it, tap on your profile icon here. Then here tap on Find My yes. Now here tap on this button to turn off your location. Tap on this button. Once you tap on that button, first tap on this button to turn it off. You will not be able to find your phone, your device or item when not connected to the Wi-Fi or cellular. Then tap on disable. Then tap on this button to toggle it off. Then tap on this button, guys, to toggle it off as well. Now when comes up like this, provide your account login details to log into your device. That's all. Once you're able to log into your device, then it now enable, so your device won't be able to find your device again when you toggle off your device. If you enjoyed this tip and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.